So hello everyone and welcome to Career Launcher. So in today's class, we will be discussing a very important topic and a very much demanded topic that is about the Ladakh protest, Sonam Wangchuk and the sixth schedule and all. Okay, so this has been very much in the news in the last 1 year, I would say, or in fact more than that. So that is why I think it is now important and recently and very recently we have seen Sonam Wangchuk actually moving from by foot, right? Moving from Delhi to Ladakh, Ladakh to Delhi for some protest and these things and all. So these things were in the news, and that is why I have decided that let's have a discussion on this topic as well. So am I audible, visible? Everything is fine. Awaz aa rahi hai? Things are visible. Yes. Good afternoon, Mishika, Pratiksha. Am I audible? If everything is fine, please write yes in the comments. Okay. So basically, इस तरह की न्यूज आ रही थी अभी जैसे recently we have seen and Sonam Wangchuk 20 others detained. Okay, so then they were actually having some fast also. They were doing fast. Then they later on broke the fast and all. So these things were in the news. इस तरह की न्यूज आ रही थी. So that is why actually I've decided to discuss this topic. Yes. Okay, fine. Now, since we are talking about the Union Territory of Ladakh, I have some questions which I want to ask. So first of all, you have to understand this was the entire state was called as Jammu and Kashmir state. This was called as Jammu and Kashmir state. And on which date it got changed? It got broken into two union territories. Two union territories. Okay. And this is called as Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. And this is called as Ladakh Union Territory. So this happened on 5 August 2019. Yes, Mishika, you're right. Okay. Now, what happened was actually, these actually became Union Territory. And now in Union Territory, we are having Lieutenant Governor, which is actually directly ruled by the central government, because Lieutenant Governor is appointed by the center. So there is no local elections, and in fact, there will not be any chief minister here. So this is UT without. This is called as Union Territory. Union Territory without legislature. Without legislature means there will not be any chief minister. लेकिन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के केस में ऐसा नहीं है. जम्मू कश्मीर में will have lieutenant governor and chief minister also. We have seen recently election. So when the law was made by the parliament while dividing the two union territories, it was said that Jammu and Kashmir will have legislature also. Why is legislature important? Because here people elect. Chief minister is actually elected by the people. Okay. Whereas there is no such thing in Ladakh. Okay. So Ladakh में ऐसा कोई नहीं है, and there is no people's representative, no chief minister, only the central government's appointment. Okay. Now the thing is, and that is why perhaps this is one of the reasons why they are actually demanding that they should be given back the statehood. Okay. Because if the statehood is given, then of course they'll have chief ministers and elections will happen and people will elect. So this is the one demand that they are asking. Okay, there should be a chief minister elected by the common people and all. Okay. The second thing is that they are also demanding sixth schedule status. Okay. So we'll be talking about that as well in today's class. Okay. Now, I have one question. Please tell me how many districts are there in Ladakh currently and recently the government has decided to add some more districts. तो आपको बताना क्या है कि how many districts are there in Ladakh? Please tell me number of districts. Please tell me correctly how many number of districts are there. Two. Yes, Pratiksha, Archika, Mishika, you all right, Leh and Kargil. And there's one more decision by the government. The government has decided to actually add some more districts. So how many more districts they are deciding to add? ये मैंने पढ़ाया था paid session में. I had taught in the paid session. So it has 2 districts currently, Leh and Kargil. Okay. And how many more are to be added? Since this is in the news for 2 reasons, वो current affairs का part था. दूसरी बात, actually this Ladakh has been very much in the news. How to register for paid session? Aliya Shahryar, what you are supposed to do is just go to careerlauncher.com and go to law section. वहाँ पे होगा and top में right में आपको phone number मिल जाएगा, call on them. There'll be WhatsApp number also after going in the law section. So 2 districts है, 5 new. Yes, Pratiksha, very good. So 5 new का proposal है. ठीक है. So Kargil, Leh और Kargil 2 district है. Let me show in the map. So this is Kargil. And the rest one is Leh. ठीक है. So, but there are plans that they'll be adding 5 new districts. Yes, Tanishka, right, very good. And total 5 new जब add हो जाएंगे, so it will become 5 plus 2 is 7. ठीक है. So Leh and Kargil is already there. So they are planning for Zaskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra, and Changthang. This I have taught in the paid classes. I still remember. ये मैंने पढ़ाया है कि 5 और add होके, so it will become 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So that is what you should be knowing about it. Now, so let's move on with the questions also of today's class. Let's begin with the first question. Name the organization to which Sonam Wangchuk is associated with. Your options are Solam International, Sikh Mall, Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Seva. What is the right answer? I'm expecting this answer that Sonam Wangchuk would be important. So please read the Wikipedia page of Sonam Wangchuk. Yes, Beshika, Sia, Tanishka, Adriti, you are right. Sekmol. Students Educational and Cultural Movement Ladakh. Very good. So this is the actually organization of Sonam Wangchuk. Students Educational and Cultural Movement in Ladakh. Okay. So that is what you should be knowing. Now, when you're talking about Sulabh International, इनके head थे Bindeshwari Pathak. Bindeshwari Pathak. He also died, I think, few months back, if I'm not wrong. And he was instrumental in bringing Swachh Bharat movement. तो ये भी पूछ सकते हैं एग्जाम में, ठीक है? And Bachpan Bachao Andolan is an initiative of which person? Can anyone tell you? Because all these 4 are important. Bachpan Bachao Andolan. He won Nobel Peace Prize, Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi. Yes, 2014 Nobel Prize. Seva is self-employed women association. Ila Bhatt का है. इनका कुछ दिन पहले death हो गया था. So, but the organization works. I know what is happening. Sorry, there are some issues. Okay. Yes. सो ये भी पता होना चाहिए। सेवा जो है ना वो एक्चुअली वुमेन्स का सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए रिलेटेड, सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज बी। Okay, so SECMOL, it works. It is a student organization for Sonam Wangchuk to promote these things and all, to promote student education, culture, movement and all. Now, here's the next question. Please read the question and then answer me. These all are very important because these all are linked with the life of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. Actually, in 1994, SECMOL launched an operation under which they campaigned to provide culturally appropriate and locally relevant education to make government schools become more functional. So, what is the right answer? Yes, Tanishka, Archisha, Mishika, you are right. Operation New Hope is the right answer. Yes, Aditi, Mishika, you are right. Please, the right answer to this question. Okay. Sonam Wangchuk, Operation New Hope and all. SECMOL. Okay. So that is what you should be knowing about. Yes, Pratiksha, Aditi, all right. Now the next one is he matlab we are talking about Sonam Wangchuk. He invented the dash creates artificial glacier used for storing winter water in the form of cone-shaped ice heap, and for which he won an award also. What is the name of the award he won? He means we are talking about Sonam Wangchuk. इस साल हो सकता है क्वेश्चन एक पैसेज आ जाए लद्दाख पे और सोनम वांगचुक पे और यस प्रतीक्षा and Archisha is saying B. What about others? Yes, Dhriti, you are right. The right answer is option B. Ice stupa technique is the right answer to this question. He invented the ice stupa technique that creates artificial glaciers. Yes. And for which he got Raman Magsaysay के लिए नहीं मिला था. He got Rolex award for enterprise. ठीक है. Rolex तो I think घड़ी भी आती है ना उसकी. Yes. So you should know that he got Rolex award for enterprise for this. ये इस तरह कुछ होता है. इमेज आप देख सकते हो. ग्लेशियर ग्राफ्टिंग टेक्निक होता है जिससे आर्टिफिशियल ग्लेशियर बनाया जाता है. यूज फॉर स्टोरिंग विंटर वाटर एंड ऑल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोनिकल आइस. ठीक है. पानी वगैरह स्टोर करने के लिए काम आता है. So this also is an idea given by him. So B is the right answer. Yes, Aditi, Riri, all the right. B is the right answer. Triti, Archisha, Dalal, you all the right. ठीक है, तो इनको थोड़ा सा पढ़ लीजिएगा, है ना. The next is, sir, can you please make a video on all important static topics? Static topics. So देखो static topics अच्छा ठीक है. Law prep, I'll think I'll make notes and if I get a chance I will come up with your request. एक तो बच्चों ने ये रिक्वेस्ट किया कि सर करंट अफेयर्स के जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है वो डिस्कस करा दीजिए, टॉपिक खाली बता दीजिए. तो मैं देखता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीकेंड में इफ आई कैन. सोनम वांगचुक वन रामन मैग्सेसे अवार्ड. व्हिच कंट्री गिव्स दिस अवार्ड? प्लीज टेल मी. Yes, the right answer is B, 2018. Yes, Tanishka, Aditi, Archisha, Deeptakshi, Dalal, you are right. And Sonam Raman Magsaysay award actually is given by the Philippines. So you should be knowing about it. Yes, Mishika, right now. So ये सब जितने भी अवार्ड्स आप देख रहे हैं ना, ग्लोबल अवार्ड फॉर सस्टेनेबल आर्किटेक्चर, फ्रेड बैकवर्ड अवार्ड, रोलेक्स अवार्ड फॉर एंटरप्राइज, ये आइस तूफा के लिए मिला था. देन रियल हीरोज अवार्ड, अशोका फेलोशिप फॉर सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, रामन मैग्सेसे अवार्ड, है ना. हाँ, फिलीपींस के द्वारा दिया था. यस, रामन मैग्सेसे वाज earlier the head of the state of Philippines. So you should know this. The Raman Magsaysay Award is also called as Nobel Prize of Asia, etc. Okay. Now let's move on. Actually, he has been very much instrumental in previously also. Like Three Idiots film of Amir Khan was made by taking inspiration from him. Then when there was Galwan Valley clash, he appealed for boycott of Chinese goods and all. So I hope you are aware. So जो Three Idiots के जो कैरेक्टर है, it is inspired by Sonam Wangchuk and all, है ना. Delete TikTok and boycott everything made in China, say Sonam Wangchuk. तो यहाँ पर जो है गलवान वैली क्लैश हुआ था. I hope you are aware. इस पर पूरा क्वेश्चन आया था. CLAT ने 2021 में I think क्वेश्चन पूछा था. That Galwan Valley clash happened where? So actually it happened in June 2020. ठीक है, गलवान रिवर है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पर एक रोड बन रही थी. मैं रोड बना रहा हूँ. प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस रोड व्हिच आई एम मेकिंग इट इन रेड. I have made a rough road. What is the name of the road that was being constructed and Chinese had some issues and because of which the clashes happened? उस रोड का नाम क्या बता सकते हैं? Anyone? Because I think it's important, so you should know. DSDBO. Yes, Pratiksha, very good. Darbuk Shoyok Daulat Beg Oldie Road. Yes, Pritam has also answered Daulat Beg Old. देखो ऊपर में जो है ना यहाँ पर एक जगह दौलत बेग ओल्डी टॉप में DBO कहते हैं. अरे यार what happened? There are some technical issues in my pen. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर शोयोग मिलेगा. ठीक है. ठीक है. Yes, Pritam, Tanishka, you on the right. ठीक है. So that is what you should know. अच्छा, एक यहाँ पर एक lake है which is partially in China and partially in Ladakh. What is the name of that lake which was very much in the news? वो भी बताइए उस lake का नाम. Anyone? Yes. Pritam is right. Pangong So Lake. Pangong So Lake. Yes. Triti, you're also right. ठीक है. So you should know this. ये काफी news में था. Yes, Tanishka, Deeptakshi, all right. Yes, Pratiksha, you're also right. Let's move on to the next question. I think this is a very easy question. What is the right answer? Relevance of the lake, वहाँ पे disputed region है वो. Pratikta Agarwal. That was very much in the news during Galwan Valley clash के आसपास भी. So yes, the right answer is 6th schedule. मेरा headline भी है class का. Yes, Deeptakshi, Aditi, Tanishka, Pratiksha, Dalal, you all right. Actually क्या tribal areas 5th और 6th schedule से govern होते हैं, but 6th schedule में ज़्यादा autonomy होती है. More autonomy, more powers are given actually in case of 6th schedule. So they are demanding 6th schedule and getting back of statehood. कि वापस statehood मिले. That is what their demand is. ठीक है. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Yes, Pratiksha, Dalal, you all right है ना. So why Ladakh needs 6th schedule and also this has been very much in the news. In fact, January 2023 में means almost 2 years back. He went actually on fast 5-day climate fast and all. ठीक है. तो ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो मैं आपको दिखाया तो कौन सा लद्दाख है. So this one is Kargil जो मैंने रेड से किया है and the rest is actually Leh currently. So there are 2 districts and there's a plan that they'll be making 2 + 5 7 districts. ठीक है. This you should be knowing it. है ना. So this was very much in the news and all. Okay. They are demanding 6th schedule status. है ना. So आप Wikipedia थोड़ा सा पढ़ लीजिएगा. Please read the Wikipedia page as well about this. Now the next one is this question. Please read it and then answer me. I'm very sorry, my pen has some issues because of which I'm not able to write properly. Please tell me the answer to this question. Yes, which states have governed under 6th schedule? So yes, the right answer is Aditi, Mishika, Tanishka, and Prapti. You're right. Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. So B is the right answer to this question. Okay, B, option B. And the rest of the states में जो rest northeastern states होता है उसमें कई जगह जहाँ पे tribal areas होता है वहाँ पे 5th schedule का use किया था. But 6th schedule gives more actually autonomy. So in these 4 states, not in the entire states, but some portion of these states have the 6th schedule and not region. Okay, 244 article, very good. Deep Dakshi, very good. Article 244 clause 2 talks about in detail about this. Okay, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Yes. And the administration of schedule areas and all, है ना, तो आप देख सकते हो of these 4 states. खैर, तो ये 10 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है जो करंटली जिसमें 6 शेड्यूल इन्फोर्स्ड है. तो इसमें इतना डिटेल नहीं जाना, बट एक आइडिया होना चाहिए कि देयर आर 4 स्टेट्स अंडर व्हिच यू विल फाइंड दिस. एंड इससे रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें मैं बता देता हूँ, जैसे आपको पता होना चाहिए. एक ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल बनता है और एक रीजनल काउंसिल बनता है. ठीक है, तो जैसे पहली बात तो गवर्नर का रोल थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो जाता है ये सब एरिया में. ठीक है, ओके, दिस यू शुड नो. एंड ठीक है, तो जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल और रीजनल काउंसिल ये 2 चीज मानती है. तो आपको ये बताना है कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल जो होगा 6 शेड्यूल में, उसमें कितने मेंबर्स होते हैं टोटल, out of which 4 are to be nominated by the governor and the rest are elected on the basis of universal adult franchise. मतलब 18 plus everyone above 18 can vote, every citizen. So district council जो 6th schedule के अंदर में होता है, we are talking about 6th schedule. And yes, since 6th schedule is in the news, they can ask some questions related with 6th schedule. Anyone? So total it has how many members? 30. D, not C. 30 member है. ठीक है. So you should know. Yes, Mishika, very good. So I am showing from the 6th schedule. Okay. So not more, the district council shall have 30 members, of whom not more than 4% shall be nominated by the governor. Yes, Tanishka, Pratiksha, you all are right. Okay. Similarly, there should be a separate regional council also. This also you should be knowing about it. तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल और रीजनल काउंसिल होगा. इसमें इस जितने भी स्टेट्स होते हैं जिसमें भी wherever you will find 6th schedule, the responsibility or the role of the governor becomes more important. ठीक है, that is what you should be knowing it. मैंने अटैच कर दिया है, आप उसको पॉज करके भी थोड़ा सा पढ़ सकते हैं. wherever is important I am discussing it. जैसे कोई भी जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल में जो 30 मेंबर सेलेक्ट होंगे, उसमें 26 सेलेक्ट होंगे, 4 जो है वो गवर्नर नॉमिनेट करेंगे. So they are actually elected by the for 5 years and all. ठीक है, ये सब पता होना चाहिए. और जो लोकल डिस्ट्रिक्ट या रीजनल काउंसिल है उसके पास पावर्स बहुत सारे होते हैं. ठीक है, सो दे हैव मोर पावर. सो इट मींस होता ये है कि 6th शेड्यूल में पावर्स डेलीगेट हो जाते हैं फ्रॉम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टू द ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल्स और रीजनल काउंसिल्स और डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल्स. ठीक है, उन लोगों के पास पावर बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं. आप देख सकते हो ये सब पावर्स, दीज आर एक्चुअली द पावर्स व्हिच गोस टू द लोकल डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीजनल काउंसिल्स एंड ऑल. ठीक है, ये सब केसेस में आप देख सकते हो. इसमें हुआ फिर अपॉइंटमेंट, सक्सेशन हेड, इनहेरिटेंस, प्रॉपर्टी, मैरिज, डिवोर्स, सोशल कस्टम, ये सब में बिकॉज होता बेरीली क्या आता है, 6th शेड्यूल स्टेटस वहां दिया जाता है. The 6th schedule status is given to those regions which are actually tribal or culturally there should not be any interference from the Indian laws or the parliamentary laws. So अपना वो local रखना चाहते हैं. So to protect their culture, आप इस तरह समझ सकते हो. To protect their culture, so these are actually these autonomous district councils or regional councils are made. ठीक है, है ना. So that is what you should know. एक दो चीज और मैं बता देता हूँ. So they have some sort of court powers also. The conferment of power in the code of civil procedure, code of criminal procedure and all. खैर अब तो ये चेंज हो गया, BNS वगैरह बन गया, but you should know it. The idea is they have some sort of even a power of a trial court or like that. ठीक है, तो I'm not going in that detail, पूरे एक लाइन पर लाइन नहीं पढ़ना, but आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि जहां भी 6th शेड्यूल लगता है तो जो ऑटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट या रीजनल काउंसिल होती है उनके पास पावर्स, लोकल ट्राइब्स के पास मतलब लोकल पीपल और देयर इज अ लोकल प्रोसीजर, उसमें पावर थोड़ा ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है उन लोगों को. ठीक है, so they have power to establish schools, primary schools, dispensary markets and all. ठीक है, so just have an idea that why 6th schedule has been very much in the news. ठीक है, और in fact उनके पास अपना एक सेपरेट फंड होता है for each autonomous district, जिसको रीजनल फंड या डिस्ट्रिक्ट फंड भी होता है. and even their expenditure can be audited by CAG. जैसे सेंट्रल या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की एक्सपेंडिचर को CAG ऑडिट करती है, similarly actually the CAG can audit the funds utilized by district and regional council also. Audit मतलब हिसाब किताब करना, ठीक है? So this also you should be knowing about it, है ना? So powers to even collect land revenue and impose taxes. तो local level पर उन लोगों के पास power होता है district and regional council के पास कि they can impose land revenue, impose taxes and all. ठीक है? So this you should be knowing about it. तो ये these are the taxes they can impose. Taxes on profession, trade, calling, employment, animals, vehicles, sports, maintenance of school dispensary, ये सब के लिए, ठीक है? So these are the taxes. मतलब मैं हर लाइन पे लाइन डिटेल नहीं जा रहा हूँ, बट एक रफ आइडिया आपको होना चाहिए, बिकॉज 6th शेड्यूल हैज बीन वेरी मच इन द न्यूज़ इन द लास्ट 1 ईयर. पिछले 1 साल में 6th शेड्यूल की बहुत बातें हुई है, इसलिए आपको रफ आइडिया होना चाहिए. फिर बहुत सारे लाइसेंस वगैरह ग्रांट कर सकते हैं, जो जनरली स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पास जो सब पावर होता है ना? एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मिनरल्स वगैरह के लिए लाइसेंस इन दोस रीजन्स, ऑटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल एंड ऑल के पास पावर्स होती है. ओके, सो दिस यू शुड बी नोइंग अबाउट इट. They can make rules and regulations regarding money lending also. So money lending से related rules regulations बना सकते हैं. Okay. Then of course एक चीज आप समझना पड़ेगा, अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल ने कोई लॉ बनाया और वो लॉ कंट्राडिक्ट कर रहा है स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर के बनाए गए लॉ से, if a district council has made a law which contradicts the law made by the state legislature, then in that case the state legislature law shall prevail, है ना? जैसे ये मेघालय केस में बता रहे हैं, in the case of मेघालय, ठीक है? So similarly, दूसरी चीज आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा, generally speaking the parliament law can be enforced, but president जो exception दे सकते हैं, ये समझना जरूरी है, because it was once in the news. President may, with respect to any act of parliament, direct that this shall not apply to an autonomous district or an autonomous region in the state of Meghalaya, etc. and all. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको बताया था, जब CA आया था, सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, तो कहा so the 6th schedule areas were excluded. So there is a provision that the parliament law may not have be enforced in that particular 6th schedule region. ऐसा हो सकता है कि पार्लियामेंट्री लॉ जो पूरे इंडिया में इंप्लीमेंट किया गया हो, उस रीजन में नहीं इंप्लीमेंट किया जाए. So there is a provision for that also, ठीक है? So the president can do it. तो इसलिए उनके पास बहुत सारे actually there are a lot of exceptions actually in this case. Now let's move on to the next one. Please read it and then answer me. ये भी current affairs का part है, so do not say कि I'm asking from anywhere. This is a part of current affairs. So when there have been protests and also the Union Home Minister have said that we will extend some sort of protection to this region. Which sort of protection? Very similar to what? I am waiting for you all to answer. Yes, Aditi has answered me. No, not. I have not got the right answer. I'm very sorry, I haven't got the right answer till now. Yes, now Aditi is right. Arghav is right. See, Article 371 is the right answer to this question. देखो ये 8 मार्च की न्यूज़ है. Ladakh Article 371 and the 6th schedule. So this from here I have taken. मतलब 371 भी maybe actually special provisions दिया गया है कुछ states को. इसमें आपको दिखाता हूँ. You can see 371. So 371 कैपिटल A से 371 कैपिटल I तक है. ठीक है? सो नागालैंड, असम, मणिपुर, आंध्र प्रदेश 371 में, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, बहुत सारे को कुछ स्पेशल सम रीजन्स में कुछ प्रोविजन स्पेशल प्रोविजंस दिया गया है स्पेशल. ठीक है? सो दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड बी डूइंग. सो इट वाज सेड कि ही हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट इट कि वी विल गिव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्पेशल प्रिविलेज अंडर 371 एज वेल. सो सी इज द राइट आंसर. यस, तनिष्का, दीप्ताक्षी, यू आर राइट. अच्छा, एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, मैं एक्चुअली को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, उसको एसिमेट्रिक फेडरलिज्म. एसिमेट्रिक फेडरलिज्म का मतलब होता है कि हर स्टेट्स को इक्वली नहीं ट्रीट किया जा रहा है. देयर आर सम स्पेशल प्रोविजंस, जैसे कश्मीर में था 370, अब नहीं है, बट लद्दाख में दे आर डिमांडिंग. देन इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट देयर इज अ प्रोविजन ऑफ 5th शेड्यूल एंड 6th शेड्यूल का प्रोविजन है. ठीक है? देन एक्चुअली देयर आर सम स्टेट्स वेयर आर्टिकल 371 इज देयर, व्हिच प्रोवाइड्स सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ स्पेशल स्टेटस. फिर एक और कॉन्सेप्ट होता है स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट्स का, वो दिया जाता है. So asymmetric federalism मतलब सिमेट्री नहीं है, सारे को बराबर नहीं ट्रीट करता कि some where actually there is tribal issues or hilly areas they are given some more preferences or something like that. तो ये टर्म आपको पता होना चाहिए, asymmetric federalism sometimes do remain in the news and all. That is why you should be knowing about it. ठीक है? Yes. Now there is one homework. 3 homework है. After the class is over, please write in the comment section. What is NSC and IM? I saw this today also because in the news. And explain there was a agreement of government related with this. NSC and IM agreement with the government of India. Then Assam Accord explain कीजिएगा. Then Section 6A of Citizenship Act. Because there was a judgment of Supreme Court in this regard. I have taught in the paid sections also. So I'm expecting you all to answer. Okay. So once the class is over, you will be provided recorded video. So write the explanation of these 3. Okay. In the comment section. So this is all about today's class. So thank you everyone. Please press the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.